Here in the shop, I installed a blower that hooks in the back, and it's automatic. When you turn the heat on, once it reaches a certain temperature, the blower kicks on and blows the heat out of the top into the shed to heat it up. It works beautiful. So this is what I want to show you all this. Finally got my laser working on my bandsaw, and it's pretty neat, man. It's comes all the way out to here, and you can set it up right about there. And I love this grizzly. The fence don't move an inch, and then you flip the light on. Okay, and there's your laser. Hang on. Maybe if I move that. Now you can see the laser. There you go. And it's right on the money. Ain't that neat? The laser is literally on the blade. Watch. Ain't that neat? Pretty slick. I like it. Pretty awesome. Everybody ought to get one of these. J0803Z Grizzly.